What's that? Oh, look!
Happy birthday to you. It's a bin lorry.
Wow.
Let's try to open it.
Lucas! Hey now guys, so we've been driving for
30 minutes.
30 minutes. 30 minutes driving. Birthday boy is sleeping, poor baby. And unfortunately, the weather is horrible. It's raining and windy. It looks cold, even though it is 20 degrees. But it's windy and cold. Look, everyone is packing their things. And we are at the Rectory Farm. We thought that even Lucas's is not feeling well. As soon as he wakes up, at least he is well rested. He will be fully energized, and he would like to see some farm animals and a close-up of those big airplanes that he normally waves every time it goes past in our house. We can see that here, very, very close indeed. So we are just sitting in the car park, waiting for the rain to stop before we go outside. Okay, it's still raining. So that's where we need to go to see the plane. Lucas is awake. Oh no. Poor birthday boy. That is here, Nicholas here. We are going into the farm. Oh, they've got a cafe inside. So that's where the park is, and the rain is super heavy.
Look, Mommy, it's a Narragansett turkey. Looks miserable.
Oh, look, apples. See if there's an animal. Where's the animal? No animals.
No animals. So the list is not raining.
Oh, they were just here to find shelter. Oh no, where are the animals? They're gone. The rain never bothers us anyway. It's super raining now, guys. We're just gonna go into the tea room. Look at this cute tea room. Yeah, we meant to go there, tea room. We want to go inside. But unfortunately, there's no tables and chairs inside. They've locked it due to COVID. And so everyone will have to stay outside like what they're doing in there, but it is raining and I don't really fancy doing that.
No.
Now we found ourselves in like a horse.
Cows.
And cows. Land. Do not feed the animals. Donkey! What's the sound of the donkey? Hello.
It says that they bite. Do you bite? What do you think?
Look at that, look. Ooh.
Look at those big ears.
They're so tiny. Look at those donkeys. So is this actually like the ones that they ride on in Greece when they go up that slopey?
Is there a sign that says?
There's a sign that says "Do not feed." Lucas, look, Lucas, how are you? It's a donkey. Ooh. Hey? Wow. Look, a donkey. A donkey, donkey, donkey. Monkey, donkey. There's no giraffe. Giraffe, we can't see you. We can't find you here. There's more over there on that side. Ooh, what big ears you have. It's not like it's Are you talking to each other?
What's this one?
So we have just come out from the farm. There's not much farm animals to see there. Unfortunately, I don't know why. Oh, it started raining again.
Uh-oh. Do you think we should turn around? Because if it gets much worse...
So basically what we are trying to do is we're trying to get to where we can see airplanes up close, which is just around here. It's not very far. Because we all like airplanes. Lucas definitely likes airplanes. And it's just nice to see them up close. We are very close to an airport. So we can see them landing and taking off. Very, very close. So I am hoping we are still in the right path. It looks like it's the correct trail. Because look, there's a trail going up there. We're not there yet. We are sheltering from the rain.
Under an oak tree.
Yes. Look, we are soaked in rain. We are not expecting it to rain today. Happy birthday, Luke! Look at your face. Poor Lucas. Should we wipe you? Oh, such a memorable birthday, Luke. It didn't really go your way, did it, Luke? Poor baby. But I can see people in front of us. I think they're trying to get there as well. At least they have umbrella. But
Like one umbrella between 15.
the rain is getting heavier, so I think we'll just stay under the tree for a bit. We're nearly there, guys, and I can hear the plane. Can you see any? We're here, guys. This is the place, and the rain has stopped. Hooray! So we made the right decision to just come here anyway. So this is actually the viewing place, airplane viewing place.
This is the airport. This is the end of the runway.
This is the end of the runway, yes. To see the planes up close. Right, so I can see the runway there. It's color white. Lights. And then that's where we went. And this is the whole runway airport. And there is actually like, what you call that? Chairs that you can sit on, which is such a nice idea that they've actually made this. So any moment now, there's going to be a plane coming or taking off. There's one taxiing, I see it.
So we'll take off that way.
Watch out, look, plane is coming. That's taking off. Ooh. Where's Gerald Giraffe? Gerald Giraffe. Show me Gerald. There's Gerald Giraffe.
No, looks nice.
Planes. There it is. That's good, isn't it? Look. The seat on. Oh, there's one taking off.
Like a fucker.
So the train is taking off that way and then landing this way. It's starting to rain again a little bit, but we're just waiting for a big plane. It will gonna come from there. and then land there. But, we are waiting for a big one. Where's our birthday boy? Lucas is feeling much better now, I think. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Ats, to the airplane. Ooh, look at that! Bye-bye plane there. It's gone. Trying to come in here.
Oh no, it's gone.
Oh, no more big planes.
No.
Hey guys, we are back in the car now. We are all dry and warm. So I think we're just gonna go to the grocery, I think. So Will is taking us to like the biggest grocery store that I've never seen in my life. He's smiling because he was saying that you won't believe how big this grocery store is. So I'm very excited. I'm not sure if I'm going to film it. Maybe not, we shall see. But we are heading home now, and Lucas seemed to be happy. It's a bit dark, and Nicola too. We were all rained on, but it was nice to go to this place. Now, what do you think about this place? Will thinks that we should go back again.
Yeah, it's nice to see the planes.
Yeah, up close. It would be nice to go back again when it's not raining, when it's a bit summery. It should be really a summer weather. But yeah, so we will see you guys on our next video. Bye.